Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to mod Slay the Spire. Of course, as you can see, I am talking about the Steam version. To mod Slay the Spire, simply go to Workshop, select the mod you want to add. I will go with characters, let's say. Let's say this one, I don't know. You know what? No. I'll go with most popular of all time. ModTheSpire. This adds the mod loader for Slay the Spire. So simply add this, wait for the download, then I actually will go to properties, leave this as ask when starting the game, or play with mods. This all should be correct, so no need to worry about that. Hit play, you'll be prompted. Go with play with mods. This should launch the mod manager for Slay the Spire. Here you will see all future mods, and this will actually help you create your own mod list, for example. Of course, I will disable it, stop the instance of the Slay the Spire, and well, that's basically how modding of Slay the Spire works. Now you can add most of the things like the base mode, STS-lib, and then go with every other mod that will interest you on the Steam Workshop, of course. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.